It's business as usual. Customers can continue to bank as they have in the past. The doors will open Monday morning. Customers will continue to write checks, use the ATM card, their ATM machines. They will make their loan payments as they have in the past. It will be pretty much business as usual. This is the better option for the customers, for the FDIC, and for everybody at large. The North Carolina Commissioner of Banks came in and told the employees that they've been declared insolvent and they've turned the bank over to the FDIC as receiver. The FDIC then entered into a purchase and assumption agreement, as I indicated, with one of the bidders to assume essentially all the assets and virtually all the deposits. We as the FDIC have various functional managers that oversee the operation over the weekend, where we transition from Waccamaw Bank into First Community Bank. And that involves a pretty involved process. I mean, we have to reconcile accounts, we have to verify assets. We have, facilities people that kind of, set everyone up. We have the legal team that is responsible for all the legal processes that go on with a closing. Now, we will probably have a total of approximately 70 or so people that will come in throughout the weekend. Not at all at one time, but the bulk of our people will come in tomorrow to start that process. We tell them that the bank has been declared insolvent. Then we go through the process of introducing the assuming institution management. They do a little spill and welcome the employees aboard if they're going to retain them, which I believe this is the case in this institution, because the assuming institutions in Virginia, so they need these branches here to operate in this market. So they tell them that they will need their services. They will have an all-employees meeting, probably Sunday, where they will go over the assuming institutions protocol, how they operate, welcoming them into the family, all of that spiel. And then the FDIC then tells them that they will need the employees to help us work through the night and through the weekend to transition. Because obviously the bank employees are more familiar with the accounting records and the operations of the failed institution, and they can help us with the transition process.
So I guess they could all walk out if they wanted to.
Yeah, but we pay them. We pay them a time and a half, so therefore it's an incentive for them to come back and help us. We don't alert the public because it can cause somewhat of a panic. And we want to assure customers that it will be business as usual. It's pretty much a seamless transaction. So only thing customers, they won't notice anything different other than new owners. So they will see the same faces that they've had seen in the past. Everyone is First Community Bank employees right now.
Really?
We as the FDIC are going through the transitioning process, but First Community Bank is taking over this institution as we speak. This is a 28th bank failure. The second one in the last bank to fail in North Carolina was Asheville, the Blue Ridge Savings Bank in Asheville, North Carolina. So this is the first one in North Carolina this year. No one has lost an insured deposit since the FDIC was created, and that was in 1933.